Justice Aminuddin Khan was one of a bench of 5 judges hearing the petition on the ECP's postponement of polls in Punjab. This was under Article 184(3) of the Constitution. Today, Justice Aminuddin Khan recused himself from hearing the case, and while doing so, he cited an order of another bench which was hearing a separate matter on which he too sat. That order in itself is rather unique. While it's signed by Justice Aminuddin, it's authored by Justice Qazi Faiz Isa. The case before the bench related to extra marks being awarded for Hafiz-e-Qurans in medical college examinations. But the order instead proceeds to hold that it would be appropriate to postpone all cases under Article 184(3) until rules are framed for the exercise of the Supreme Court's powers under Article 184(3), including the suo motu power. Now, it's worth noting that the third judge on the bench, Justice Shahid Waheed, did not agree with this, and he in fact stated that the points raised in that particular order were not the subject matter of that case. And even otherwise, there's the question of whether a bench, through an order such as this, can suspend the exercise of a jurisdiction under the Constitution, and for that to apply to other benches as well. But nonetheless, the decision to recuse oneself is the personal prerogative of the individual judge. Whether or not the order of Justices Isa and Aminuddin is binding in any way is not really relevant for the purposes of the recusal. What's material to the elections delay case before the Supreme Court right now is that Justice Aminuddin is now no longer part of the bench, leaving 4 other judges. It is worth noting that from the very inception of this case, there have been demands for the formation of a full court, and the demand for regulation of Article 184(3), as raised by Justices Isa and Aminuddin Khan now, was also motivated by concerns over the formation of benches in such matters. But now, moving forward, it's for the Chief Justice to decide to either reconstitute the bench or just proceed with the remaining 4 judges.